Good morning, students, and welcome back to the next online session of your English classes for the session 2020-21. So let's begin our today's English classes with the second chapter of your book Learn Well. Chapter 1.2, Are You a Vegetarian? First of all, we will have an introduction of the chapter. Human beings can be divided into two categories as per the food they eat. First category, for the people who are vegetarian, and second category, for the people who are non-vegetarian. First of all, we will know the meaning of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. First, vegetarian. A vegetarian is someone who does not eat any meat or fish. A vegetarian diets contain various levels of fruits, nuts, pulses, seeds, grains, etc. Second, non-vegetarian. It is an Indian English word that is used to refer to meaty food and also to a person who is a meatarian, not a vegetarian. That is, someone who consumes meat, especially as a major source of protein. Examples of non-vegetarian: meat, fish, fowl, etc. Fowl, a bird, especially a chicken. We will pay more attention on the first point as it is related to the name of your chapter. Are you a vegetarian? We will start with reading Chapter 1.2, Are You a Vegetarian? A vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat or fish. People are vegetarians for a number of reasons. Some feel it wrong to kill animals for food. Others believe that vegetarian diet is healthier than non-vegetarian diet. Here, it is given that a vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat or fish. This meaning I have already told you in the introduction part. So, a person who does not eat meat or fish is known as vegetarian, and there are number of reasons for a person to become vegetarian. Many think that it is wrong to kill animals for eating purpose. Many other believes that to be healthy, it's good to have vegetarian diet rather than non-vegetarian diet. Now, next para. Some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. Most Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and a number of Christians are vegetarians. Some people choose to be vegetarians for ecological reasons. They argue that the growing of vegetables takes up much less land than the raising of livestock. Moreover, it is easier to provide food for all the people on earth by growing vegetables than by raising vegetable eating animals. So here it's given that some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. Religious beliefs in Hindi means dharmik vishwas. Religious beliefs include practices of prayer, meditation, or spiritual aspects of a religion. In short, it is a strong belief in a supernatural power that control human destiny or fate. Most Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and many Christians are also vegetarians. Some choose to be vegetarian for ecological reasons. Here, ecological means related to plants, animals, and their environment. So, some choose to be a vegetarian instead of one loaded with animal products for ecological reasons. People argue that growing of vegetables takes less land than the raising. Raising means breeding and taking care of livestock. Livestock means animals kept on a farm, for example, cows or sheep, etc. So here it's given that the breeding of animals takes much land than the growing of vegetables. And moreover, it's very easy to grow vegetables and feed all the people on earth rather than raising or breeding the animals who eats vegetables. Now next comes the third para. Modern medical advice also favors vegetarian food. Medical men advise people to cut down on fat, salt, and sugar. They recommend fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber and keep digestion in good order. Moreover, vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. Almost everyone can afford to buy them, but not everyone can afford to buy meat. So it's given that as per the advice of modern medical men, they also favors vegetarian food rather than the non-vegetarian food. Medical men. Here medical men means someone who practices medicines like doctors, nurse, etc. Understood? Medical men means someone who practices medicines like doctors, nurse, etc. So, medical men also advise people to reduce the amount of fat, salt, and sugar. And they also recommend fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber. About fiber, vegetables, proteins, carbohydrate, fats, all these I told you in the previous chapter. I think you all people have remembered, isn't it? So, medical men also recommend fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber and good for digestion to keep our body healthy and fit. And the most important thing is vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. So, everyone can afford buying vegetables in place of meat. Now see the picture. In this picture, you can see a goat, meat, and a little girl. Here, the girl is saying that my doctor says I will be healthier with vegetarian food. That's why I chose to be a vegetarian. But what have you decided? So, she is asking that what you have decided to do because her doctor said that vegetarian food is healthier. So, she wants to be a vegetarian. And now she is asking that what you people have decided to do. That is, to be a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. So dear students, you all keep thinking on this question, as now I am ending today's classes. Thank you children.